Analyze the chemical formula. Identify the components of the complex compound K4Zr, so 4 times 3H2O, potassium zirconium sulfate trihydrate. The subscripts and coefficients tell us the number of atoms of each element in one formula unit. Understand molar quantities. Recall that 1 mole of any substance contains Avogadro's number, 6.022 times 10 to the power 23 of formula units. Therefore, in 1.00 mole of this compound, there are 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 formula units. Count the potassium K atoms. In the formula, the subscript 4 attached to K indicates that there are 4 potassium atoms per individual formula unit. Calculate the total number of K atoms. To find the total atoms in 1 mole of the substance, multiply the number of atoms per formula unit by the number of formula units in a mole. For atoms/unit times 1.00 moles times 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 units/moles equals math 4 times 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 potassium atoms. Conclusion. This calculation directly matches option C, confirming it as the correct description of the atoms present in 1.00 mole of the compound. The correct answer is option C, 4 by 6.02 by 10 to the power 23 potassium atoms.